Hello. Alright, I'm gonna record this quick video just in case you're more of a visual person. So we have the special tabs in here with the student's name, and they are in column A on the specials tab. I'm gonna create another tab for science, and I'm just going to copy over the names over here. So let's say this is in our science tab, right? And then here we have, and we can add other names in here. Just so you can see that you will pull the name from the special. So all you do, you come over here, you're going to create a dummy column. It can be any empty column that you have. And all you're going to do is, where's the formula? You're going to enter this formula right here. And now this is, so this is counting, it's counting if, right? The count if will return either yes or true or false. And then it's going to, the lookup area is the specials from A2 all the way to the last row in column A. And I'm using the $sign to lock the reference because we're going to drag the formula down to copy. So I don't want this range to change. This is why we use the $sign. Now this one I'm not locking because I want this A2 to be, when I copy the formula down, I want it to be A3. So just click enter. So now it's saying that this is true. I think I already have the conditional formatting, but when you go here, it's saying that Anna exists, right? It's the same. So Anna exists in the specials tab. So when I click this and drag this down, it will give me true, false, and this is highlighting. So yours is not going to be highlighting. Let me remove this just because I want you to I want to show you how to do this. So you can end it here and then go true, false, and then here you can even put a filter, and then you can select only true. So now you see Anna, Maria, Jose, Paulo, Josh, Matt, and Scott. They are the same students that are here, okay? Or if you don't want this column showing, you can go to format, conditional formatting. You're going to select the column A. So select the data ring, delete this. You're going to select the whole column A. Just click over here and highlight the whole thing, and then you see the range AA, and then click OK. And then here you're going to click on the drop down and go to custom formula is, and all you're going to do, you're going to do equal sign C, right? CC is the whole entire column C from top to bottom equals true. So this formula say wherever there's true in the column C, the column A will be highlighted. And you can change the color here. You can even change this, highlight. You can do this, whatever you want. So just select your formatting style and click done. And that should be it. And then you can hide this. Right click and click hide, and it will still work. So here you're gonna have, let's say you have, you say like student ID, room number, right, classroom number, or whatever other information that you have, you can just enter in here. Just make sure to not, override this. Yeah, that's it. Hope that helps. Let me know if you need any help with anything else. Thank you.